Hey guys, Model Man Frank here with yet another airplane. This is a plane that I've tried taking it off and it always does a 360. It doesn't taxi well. It taxis well, but it won't track um long enough for me to get it in the air. It constantly wants to go all over the place. So my number one thing this time coming up is now I want to try and fly it. As you can see, I pulled the receiver out of it and the motor's still in it. And yes, this is the size prop for it, and it is enough to get it up in the air. 1300 uh, 3-cell LiPo battery is enough to get it up in the air. I just need it to fly, and I'd like to enjoy it. I really would like to enjoy it. I designed it. It is an old Comet kit that was turned over to Dumas. It has its limitations. It's got a lot of like it's a string fuselage over bulkheads, different little bulkheads of very fine uh, balsa wood. I sheeted the balsa wood skin. This area is all sheeted up except this part here. Down below on the belly, let me flip it around so you can see in the camera. I have its own, the steering gear has its own servo, and I have enough weight in the nose. Now, these are the actual landing gears that are supposed to be on this plane. Yet, there's a problem. I can't really get them. I mean, I can put them on there and get them to stay. They spring a lot. The real issue is they do a lot of flexing back and forth, but I cannot get the plane in the air for some reason. So my other option is to redo these landing gears and make it a little thicker so it doesn't bounce up and down as it's going down the taxiway or goes down the runway. I think the next trial flight, I'm going to try and I'm going to definitely put a new receiver in it, take it up to the field, and just gun it, and hopefully I can get it up off the air. So my real notion is to get this plane to fly. I really would like to have it fly eventually this summer. It has to be flown in very limited air. It can't be. It can't fly in heavy winds. So I think 10. I think it's gusting of 10 miles an hour. That's as much as it can really do. But again, I gotta get it up off the ground first. Every time I full taxi or I throw the throttle in, it wants to do a turn automatically. Either it'll turn left or it'll turn right, but it'll never try and stay straight, which is really, pardon the French, pissing me off. So if you guys have anything, yes, I've already cocked the prop. The blade is down a little bit and to the right, the way it's supposed to be. But I really need to, and I can't go any bigger on the blades because if I go any bigger, I'm going to be hitting the floor. So the pitch on this prop is this is a 7-inch by 5-inch prop. So I think it's enough to get it up in the air. So I don't know. You guys leave a comment in below. Let me know what you think. What you think the problem would be. And if you like this video and others, please do me a favor and smash that thumbs up button. All right? We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Model Man Frank out.